Nothing comes between a man and his lawn. And here we have a van. And you know what, guys? I got a dip right. Is this the end of the show?
This is the last one.
This is the last one. Okay, you guys got to do it without me.
Okay. Well, this is a working van. We know that because there's ladders. So it's not my van life type van.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
So this guy is...
Whoa, in a storm, it's
Dad!
Like a heavy tornado.
What are you doing? And he answers mowing the lawn.
Yeah,
You know
that's
what?
heavy.
This video reminds me, I was walking in my neighborhood just like a week ago, just when the weather was turning good.
Okay.
And I was amazed with how many people's lawns were already amazing. Like the weather
Immaculate,
just
yeah.
got good.
Yeah.
How is your lawn already amazing? I don't
Grass
get it.
is completely green.
people.
There's no
are-
patches.
That's what it is. You can't
But-
get...
It's these types of people.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You just go above and beyond.
They got
Wow.
time and they get after it early. They get the fertilizer
Yeah.
out, the seed. They're into it. It's a pride thing with your lawn, right?
Oh, man.
I mean, it's not very many people, but the ones that do, they like the lawn, the green lawn.
Do you got a lawn?
Yeah, I got a lawn. But it is hard to take care of a lawn to make it look that good.
Yes,
Like you have
I
to be
agree.
on like the weeds,
Right.
everything.
Right. Have you ever done like the hiring of people?
No.
No?
I have,
Will?
I have an intimate relationship.
You got a lawn?
I have a lawn, yeah. It's a pretty small lawn, so I just take care of it myself.
Right. It's easy enough.
Yeah.
It's easy enough. All right. Well,
All right. Cool.
there's
Well,
today's show without Lou.
First time ever.
Ending the show without Lou today. All right.
Yeah. Well, thank you for everyone who joined, and thank you for the super chats.
Much
We'll
love.
see you on the next one
All right. Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Yeah.